Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file for tax return online. First, gather all your essential documents, such as your W-2s and any Form 1099s, which detail your income. Next, select a reputable online tax software or explore the IRS free file options if you qualify. Finally, determine your correct filing status, like single or married filing jointly, as this significantly impacts your tax outcome. This initial preparation is key for a smooth process. Once you have your documents ready, begin entering your income information from all sources into the chosen software. Be meticulous here, as accuracy is paramount. Then, identify and claim all eligible deductions and credits, such as student loan interest or child tax credit, to potentially lower your taxable income. Before moving on, carefully review every section of your return for any mistakes or missing information. This step helps prevent future issues. With your return prepared, it's time for a final, thorough review. Verify all personal details, including your Social Security number, and confirm that all financial figures are correct. Next, decide how you'd like to receive any refund. Direct deposit is often the fastest option. Finally, electronically sign your return using a personal identification number or prior year's adjusted gross income, and then confidently submit it. You're almost done. After successfully submitting your tax return, remember to save copies of everything for your records, including the confirmation of filing. This is crucial for future reference or if the IRS has any questions. You can then track the status of your refund using the IRS Where's My Refund tool, which provides updates on its processing. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers that make meal prep a breeze, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.